सीए वर्सेस सीएमए वर्सेस एमबीए फाइनेंस, कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट का बिगेस्ट कंफ्यूजन। फोक्स, वेलकम बैक। आज हम देखेंगे ये तीनों कोर्सेज का, उनका कंपैरिजन करेंगे ऑन सर्टेन क्राइटेरियाज लाइक टाइम, फीस, सैलरी, practical training, career scope, and difficulty. Let's look at the first one, chartered accountant or CA. CA toughest है, but worth है. Let's look at India का prestigious financial course chartered accountancy. इसका focus होता है audit, taxes, compliance and फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग। इसका एलिजिबिलिटी है 12th होने के बाद आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी स्टार्ट कर सकते। व्हाट इज द टाइम रिक्वायर्ड फॉर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी कोर्स? अराउंड 4 to 5 years, depends on the number of attempts you give also. These are not easy exams, so not necessarily everybody will pass that in one go. So it may take some more attempts and the number of years or number of months can go up. Investment approximately 2 to 3 lakhs. This I am saying a ballpark figure, including it could be a private coaching that you want to offer. So वो पकड़ के around 2 to 3 lakhs could be a good investment number that you can consider. Practical training, yes, it is mandatory for 2 years. 2 साल का आपका articleship compulsory है to get a complete CA का degree. उसमें क्या क्या cover हो जाएगा? Of course, areas like audit, tax filing or compliance reporting, GST, etc. What could be likely salary after completion of CA course or chartered accountancy? Around 6 to 12 lakhs per annum. And in case you get exposure to Big 4 firms, आपको तो पता है Big 4 chartered accountants firms इंडिया में कौन कौन से रहेंगे. If you get that exposure, आपका growth could be exponential. Again, the 6 to 12 lakhs का range is just an approximate. It could be more or less depending on the candidate, depending on the merit, and depending how he or she cracks that interview. Scope of chartered accountants, needless to say, it is the most important financial accounting degree in India. India में तो vast scope है ही, but you can also get jobs in GCC country like UAE, Oman, Qatar, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, and so on. Apart from that, audit is the main area where you can do your practice also. आप टैक्स फाइलिंग का भी अच्छा कंसल्टेंसी कर सकते हैं। इनकम टैक्स सोचेगा तो सबको सीए का याद आता ही है। प्लस देयर आर लॉट ऑफ इंडियन कंपनीज, एमएनसीज इन इंडिया, देयर आल्सो अ वेरी गुड स्कोप फॉर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट डिग्री। सो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बेस्ट किसके लिए सुटेबल है? अगर आप फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नंबर्स आपको एलर्जी नहीं देता है, यू कैन गो फॉर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी। सेकंड थिंग, डिसिप्लिन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। हार्ड वर्क बहुत जरूरी है। कंसिस्टेंसी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन दिस कोर्स। दिस इज अ लॉन्ग term course. It is going to take some time, like 4 to 5 years is not small number of months that you are going to invest. तो आपको अच्छा उसको टाइम देना पड़ेगा. And of course, if you are keen for technical, financial and taxation related areas में आप interest रखते हो, तो this is definitely a degree for you. Let's look at the next degree, CMA or Cost and Management Accountant. CMA, you can say, is just like a चचेरा भाई of CA, आपका cousin of Chartered Accountancy. This is also a professional degree provided by Institute of Cost Accountants of India. What is CMA? CMA क्या करता है? Briefly, CMA focuses on costing, budgeting, financial analysis, management accounting, and support in business strategy decisions. This is a broad area of work that CMA does. Eligibility, just like CA, you can do start your CMA course after completing your 12th. Not necessarily just commerce, even science background के लोग भी CMA degree opt करते हैं. Time required around 3 to 4 years, just like CA. This is also a little longer, but little less than CA का timing, because CA may take at least 4 to 5 years complete at a go. But CMA can be done within 3 to 4 years. Investment could be somewhere in the same range of chartered accountant degree, like 2 to 3 lakhs approximately. Again, this includes probably private coaching for completing your CMA degree. Practical training is also mandatory in CMA degree, but is not as long as Chartered Accountancy or CA. It is around 15 months. You can have that exposure with a cost audit firm. You can also do a job in any company and show that experience. So not necessarily सिर्फ costing या management accounting का, आपका अगर अकाउंटिंग में एक्सपीरियंस है, ऑडिट में एक्सपीरियंस है, जीएसटी में है, पेरोल मैनेजमेंट में कर रहे हो, या एनी अदर जॉब दैट यू आर डूइंग रिलेटेड टू अकाउंटिंग, फाइनेंस, कॉस्टिंग, मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग, फाइनेंस मैनेजमेंट एक्सेट्रा सब्जेक्ट्स, you can show that as a practical training in CMA Institute. What could be a likely salary for CMAs? You pass your CMAs, complete किया, अपने practical training complete हो गया, you get also placement through institutes, campus interviews. The range could be between 5 to 10 lakhs. Again, this depends on the candidate to candidate. आपका बाकी merit कैसा है, how you crack that interview, आपने knowledge कैसा gain किया है, इसके ऊपर काफ़ी सारा डिपेंड रहेगा. Scope of CMAs, just like chartered accountants, you can go and work in companies in accounting, in costing, in management accounting, not just with Indian Indian companies or MNCs, but you can also go and work abroad. जैसे GCC countries, just like chartered accountants, you can also go and work in these countries. वहाँ पे भी काफ़ी सारे manufacturing companies है, there you can easily get the job, provided you have good experience as well. And not necessarily just cost and management accounting. आजकल CA और CMS दोनों को ERP implementation जैसे areas में भी options open हो चुके हैं. So you can also take the benefit of that sort of industry to get your financial targets achieved sooner. So CMA, best suitable for whom? First of all, just like chartered accountants, you should be good at numbers. नंबर्स का एलर्जी अगर आपसे हो, आपको हो, तो CA, CMA का मत सोचो. Other than that, you should be again consistent, hard worker, and in case you want to complete that course faster as compared to CA, I think CMA could be a good option. Like as I mentioned, CA can take 4 to 5 years, whereas CMA can around 3 to 4 years, depending how you progress that course. Let's look at the third degree. MBA Finance. MBA Finance equal to high salary. Is it the case? Let's find out. So, MBA क्या करता है? MBA Finance student क्या करता है specifically? MBA Finance का focus होता है डिग्री का into finance management, into banking, investment, corporate finance. Eligibility, you have to complete your graduation. It is not like CA or CWA or CMA, that you can start after 12. MBA के लिए आपको मिनिमम ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा. देन यू हैव टू अपीयर फॉर एंट्रेंस एग्जाम आइदर कंडक्टेड बाय दैट इंस्टीट्यूट और इन केस यू आर ट्राइंग फॉर IIMs, you have to complete exams like CAT. Go for it, crack it, and then you can get a good college like IIMs or the top premier colleges for MBAs. इसका ड्यूरेशन रहता है 2 years after graduation. Investment for MBA could be ranging from 3 to 30 lakhs, depend on the college, depend on the institute where you get your degree or your enrollment in. So it varies from 3 to 30 lakhs. Approximate numbers दे रहा हूँ मैं. It can vary. Practical training for MBA Finance, yes, institutes will require at least 2 months or 3 months of practical internship that is to be done in certain companies in the areas you want to get your specialization और आपका जैसे इंटरेस्ट हो. It is not as long as like CA और CA में वहाँ पे जैसे आप 1.5 से 2 साल का इंटर्नशिप या प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग लेते हो. कंपैरेटिवली स्मॉल, मोर प्रोजेक्ट फोकस्ड एक्सपीरियंस रहेगा वो. It can probably also open the doors for your job, that is for sure. Likely salary, it depends on the institute's reputation in the market and उनका placements, campus कैसे conduct होता है. If you are into IIMs, yes, it could be 15, 20, 30 lakhs, depending on how you perform in the interview again. But it could be a smaller institute where you're doing MBA from. It may not be high. It depends on, again, the network of that college, the reputation, etc. So it really varies from college to college. What is the scope for MBA Finance? Yes, you can get jobs in corporate finance, investment, banking, and other financial services related companies. But It's again finally depend on the institutes and where you come from. So who should go for MBA Finance? Who should go for MBA Finance? In case you have good communication skill, in case you have good presentation skills, in case you are not that inclined toward taxation or too much technical accounting and costing related areas, but you want to make a career in commerce and finance, MBA can be a good option. But again, the bottom line, in case you get a good institute, you get +12 for MBAs. Otherwise, just like engineer, there are a hell lot of MBAs in the market who are also selling credit cards, just like the graduates. So unless you crack something good, it's not that great degree to have. Let's look at the final comparison now. Commerce student ka biggest confusion solved. Let's look at these 3 degrees one by one. Chartered Accountancy, CMA and MBA Finance. CA ka duration 4 to 5 years, CMA ka between 3 to 4 years, MBA 2 years. CA, CMA you can do that degree after 12th, passing up your 12th exam, but for MBA, graduation is must. Difficulty, CA very high, CMA also, I won't say equally high just like CA, but it's moderately high. It's not that easy कि CA नहीं किया तो मैं easily CMA कर पाऊंगा. That is not the case. There are a lot of common subjects between CA and CMA, so be prepared, like it is also a tough exam to crack. MBA Finance, depending on the college, कितना tough जाएगा. Training for CMA and CA, articleship or practical training is mandatory. For MBA it is required, but for a smaller fee. Salary, CA has good salaries. They have good demand in market, so very likely like you'll get good salary. CMAs also, you can get comfortable salary. MBA depends on the institute. CA best suited for audit, taxes and compliance में आपको interest है. CMA in case you want to support into management accounting and business strategy support. And MBA Finance in case you want to get your career done into finance management, banking, investment, etc. If you look at all 3 degrees, CA, CMA and MBA Finance, all 3 degrees have importance, but it finally depends on you, what you want to achieve in your life. What are your financial goals? What are your career goals? And what are your inclinations? If you're not too much into numbers, don't think about CA or CMAs. But yes, you want to make a career in commerce and finance, MBA Finance can be a good option. So folks, based on this discussion and your exposure overall to the subject and to the market, what are you choosing for? CA, CMA or MBA Finance? And in case you are interested to know few more subjects or few more courses like this, please let me know. I'll do my best to put such videos more and more. Till then, thank you and take care.